Finally, this evening, Jamaicans have a long-standing and deep tradition of supporting Brazil's national football team, and that vibrant fandom is evident during the World Cup, with flags, jerseys, and other memorabilia on display. However, when it comes to the sale of merchandise, one vendor in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, says one of their biggest rivals is outdoing them off the field.
Meet Anthony Fisher Morgan, a vendor in Spanish Town whose World Cup jerseys are a hot commodity.
Every jersey selling now. But it's Argentina. Yeah, man, and them are the goat. No joke, and them are the goat. Then Brazil. But me is a Germany, man. So me still work with the Germany, but Argentina, and them are the goat. No joke.
Matter of fact, it's merchandise all around.
Yes, both flag and jersey. Argentina. Yeah, man, no joke, man. Them things they go fast. Argentina. With the flag and the jersey and the band them. Argentina.
But not to be outdone, other countries' flags are also in high demand.
The kids, they love Portugal. The kids, they love Portugal. But the adult, Germany, Spain, France, all of them, I don't go for them big size there.
However, there's one country's jersey that's a favorite among the children, but that's scarce.
They don't just show me can't get no kids' jersey because kids' jersey short. You see, and lots of teachers and parents come to me for kids' jersey. The most one where them say them want is Portugal, or we can't get Portugal jersey for the youth them. Every youth come want Portugal. And the main jersey that right now in a youth style, Portugal. And it's short. I don't know why.
Despite that setback, business is booming.
This is the highway. You call it the bypass. People do stop by on a regular basis. I'm a fans them who buy from me with no joke. I'm not turn back nobody at all. Nobody at all, I'm not turn back.
Now, while getting caught up in the World Cup frenzy and finding his niche at the moment, Morgan says he's a traveling salesman.
Me as a youth like this now, left my whole of the age, my whole of the place. I'm a tender age at the age of 14. I'm a 58 now. And from them time, they are this me take on. All the work with people. So this me take on, and this is my source. And this me I live off of. All about over Jamaica. All about over Jamaica, you can book me up. You can book me up at stadium. You can book me up at Sunfest. You can book me up anywhere at Hustle at all. Anywhere, dead yard, anywhere at all, you can book me up with my jerk pan. And my boil corn and soup and my liquor them. Anywhere at all.
And there's a perfect moniker for him.
Me the man, them call me season man. When I say season man, I mean season when them sell a market. I mean season in every kind of style. You can find me in a mango season, Guinea season, football season, World Cup season. Me just a man fit in any kind of hustling.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.